Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 4 cumulative insurance. Basically, this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment or if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments or PowerPoint assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that is mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. So you can hire me for your other courses like programming assignments and writing assignments as well. In this video, I will be doing this assignment step by step and you can solve your assignment by watching this video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claims 1.1. This is the fourth chapter of newly introduced course Excel 2022. At start of the instructions, you can see these project description. So please go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Basically, main part of the assignment is starting from step 1 and there are total 15 steps in this assignment and we are supposed to solve these steps in this assignment. So I will move to step number 1, that is first step in the instruction. So it is saying that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative insurance. So we are supposed to download Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative insurance. We are supposed to download this Excel workbook. So I have already downloaded this Excel workbook and you can also download this Excel workbook from your My IT Lab dashboard. And we will apply all the instruction steps in this file to get this assignment done. So we will move to step number 2 because step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel file. So step number 2 is freeze the pane so that the first row containing the column heading row 6 and the first two columns column A and B on the insurance claim worksheet will remain static when scrolling. Freeze the pane so that the row containing column heading row 6 and column A and B, we are supposed to freeze those rows and columns so that those are static. So we will move to insurance claim worksheet and will freeze those rows and columns that are mentioned in this step. So simply go to the page layout. After going to the page layout, click on these print titles. So we are supposed to freeze row 6. So rows to repeat on top row 6 and columns to freeze are column A and B. There are two columns that we are supposed to freeze, that is column A and column B. So we can simply type A up to B or we can simply select A and B. These one or type A up to B. So click OK. Now you can see that one second. So we can do this from the print title as well, but I will go to this view tab and I will go to freeze pane. This is free pane. So we are supposed to freeze row 6 and column A and B. So I will select row 6, that is C6, so that I can freeze these two columns A and B and row 6, row 7, sorry. So because we are supposed to select row 6 as freeze row. So we will click on the freeze pane and you can see now that row 6 is frozen and also column A and B are frozen. So those are static and not moving, and row 6 is also static and not moving. So that is all about step number 2. So we are done with step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. So step number 3 is convert the data to a table, name the table insurance claims, and then apply the light green table style light 21. So we are supposed to convert the data to a table, then we will give the name to this table and then we will change the style of this table. So simply click anywhere in the data and then go to insert tab and click on the table, and you can see that this has been changed into a table. And now we are supposed to give name to the table, that is insurance claims. Simply go to the table design and in the properties you can see the table name, and we are supposed to give the name insurance claims. After writing this, press enter and you can see that we have changed the title or name of this table. Now we are supposed to change the style of the table, that should be light green table style 21. So in light green table style 21, light green table style light 21. This is the table style that we are supposed to use in this assignment. So I have completed this step. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. Now we are supposed to remove the duplicates in step number 4. So in step number 4 it is saying that remove the duplicates record. So this table has some duplicates record and we are supposed to remove those duplicate record. So click anywhere in the table and then go to this data tab and go to data tools, this one, and you can see this box having a cross sign on it is for the remove duplicates. You can see the name here, click on it and click OK. 3 duplicates value found and removed. 206 unique values remain. Note the count may include empty cell space. So we have removed the duplicates record from this table as required in step number 4. So we are doing this assignment step by step. I am also explaining each and every step so that you can do this assignment on your own and you can also learn Excel through my videos. So I am going very slowly and I am explaining each and every task. But if you want me to do this assignment, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me and I will do this assignment or I can do this complete course for you. Let's move to next step, that is step number 5, because we have completed 4 steps of this assignment. Now it is saying that add a new column to the table named duration. So now this is the table and we are supposed to add a new column to this table and that name should be duration. So this table is ending at J6. Now we are supposed to add a new column in K. Click on K6 and type duration. and simply press enter. And you can see that I have inserted or I have added a new column to this table, and the name of that column is duration. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far. Now I will move to next step. That is step number 7, I think. 6, sorry. Because we have completed 5 steps. So step number 6 is create a formula using unqualified structured reference to calculate the days required to resolve the incident, and the duration will be equal to date resolved minus date created, and apply general number format to these. So in duration column we are supposed to calculate the days required, and these durations can be calculated by subtracting the date created from the date resolved. So we will type an equal sign first and click on J7 because we are going to subtract C7 from J7. Date resolved minus date created will give us the duration, and we got the duration for this one. And now we are supposed to apply the general number format to this one. So it is already general. If it is not, you can select from here general. So this is the format that we are supposed to apply to the duration column. So we have calculated the duration to resolve an incident. How many days are required to resolve an incident? That is equal to date resolved minus date created. So that is all about step number 6. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 7. Total steps in this assignment are 15, and I am doing step number 7 now. So step number 7 is add a total row to display the average days required to complete a claim. So now we are supposed to add a total row to this table, and then we are supposed to calculate the average days required to complete a claim. So simply go to the table design and check this box that is showing total row. So our total row will be added at the end of the table, this one. Now we are supposed to calculate the average days required to complete a claim. So we will make it average. So 14.83 days are required to on average to complete an incident in these records that are mentioned in this table. So that is all about step number 7. So let me do next step, that is step number 8 now. So I have shown you complete 7 steps in this video, starting from step number 1 and ending at step number 7. Now for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. Or if you want me to do those steps, you can hire me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can complete those steps on your own. Let me show you the final version for this assignment now. So this is the final version for this assignment. Please have a look to this one. I have completed this assignment hundreds of the times for my students, and I can do this complete course for you. You just need to contact me through WhatsApp or email, and I will do this complete course for you. You can hire me for your other courses as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.